Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means the world to me, and I hope more people can learn from the video.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a route in Fresh, which is a very new framework. So before you actually want to continue, you might want to check out the previous video in the series, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can actually know when I'm updating the series. So let's take a look at how we are creating a route. So you can head to the documentation and read about this. But main thing, if you have touch on React.js before, what you call that, the React router DOM, you will notice that they are quite similar. As you can see, if you put yeah it's more like Next.js, where you put into a folder, like right here into the folder in the routes. Yeah, and basically you don't need to specify the route. You will just follow the name of the file. Okay, so let's try it right here. So we might need to use the example right here. So it is very simple. So you just copy all of this, and we'll go here. We'll try to make a new file called about tx, where I'm just using the example file. And previously I have an error about the extension, but after I restart it just work. Maybe you should restart too if it doesn't work for you. Anyways, I need to repeat the if you have red lines around here, the way to fix it, go to your extension market and download the extension for me. Okay, so file change data is restarting, and I'll click on this, control click. Sorry, too much. And as you can see in the routes folder, I've named this about.tsx. So when I put slash about, you can see it works. And what is rendered here is this. So it actually is about the page. Same thing will work. So yeah, when if you start, you can see it is changed. So very simple. And how? What about of this? Okay, so let's start from scratch. So it is. I will teach you how do you code of diff from scratch in a more in the latest way. And okay, wait. Okay, so basically, first of all, of course, import page from React. Okay, it is something like import React from, yeah, something you would do in React. It is very similar, and you can do something like cons out go to this, return maybe h1 about page, and of course you need to export it. Or oh, sorry, export default import. Oh, sorry. Wait. React is what? Wait, let's see again. Okay, I think it shouldn't work this way. I'm very sorry, guys. Try main. Yeah, this is very weird. I think you can't do this. Kind of weird. Let's try. Why isn't this working though? Oh, for default. Try this way. This is so weird. Let me name it about page. This is so weird. Okay, now it's somehow somehow works, and I really don't know why. Let me if I remove this. It's so freaking weird. But never mind. At least it works now. But if you know what happened, oh, I think I know what's the error. Yeah, we need this the add. I'm very sorry, guys. I only know about it right now. You cannot forget about add JSX. Okay, it is called the in C++. There is something similar to I forgot. Wait, there's something It's called the pragma, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So, anyways, let's just continue. And the main purpose is to tell about the route. So first, at JSX import a hash from here. Okay, and cons about goes to okay, and of course return you need to return something. Start with a main. You cannot tell in React that is something like this, but you cannot use that right here. I'm pretty sure about that because I tried before. And basically like this, and of course export default out. Yeah, and you need to comment this as well. Inside here. Damn it, it's not working again. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm really dumb, man. But I always learn from my mistake, so I think you should do is JSX. Okay, fine. Okay, we need a comment. Okay, so this is a full line. Okay, don't forget, don't make the mistake that I have made. Okay, add JSX H. Okay, and the comment. Okay, I wonder if this works. Yeah, it works as well, but yeah, just leave it like that. So about page. Okay, and the next thing we are going to talk about is the dynamic routes. Okay, so basically what it means is we already have what the hell? We already have one right here, which is name.tsx. So how let me show you how it works. So it's slash name.tsx. However, the thing inside the square bracket, you can actually put anything in it. For example, my name is Quinton, so I put Quinton. Hello, Quinton. Okay, so we will try to. Okay, wait. I'll read you this first. So, okay, never mind. We just use this. So for the sake of demonstration, new file, call it um, grid grid slash name. Yes, okay. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it like name for example like age, whatever. But okay, I'll show you different. So if you name right here, right, the one right here, it is following this one. So if you, for example, if you put like full name, it should be full name as well. Sorry, full name as well. Okay, and of course this should be full name. Okay, do not okay. Yeah. So props.params is actually this. So actually the props. How should I explain this? Props are a bunch of things. For example, props are just like something like, for example, when we are using this, for example, we call it grid page. Maybe we will do something like, okay, this is just an example, okay? Grid page, names equal to, yeah, whatever, okay? For example, like this, then it will be the props. But for now, it is actually in the params, which is, you know, in grid something thing after grade is in props.params and we need to destructure it, okay? So I'll show you what is actually in the props.params. Just log it out. Move this first. Okay. And I'll show you what this is about. So if I enter this, inspect is actually how we debug also. Console, no info. Oh, okay, never mind. You can actually. Okay, never mind. You can't do that. Actually, you can't do that, but actually you can do this if you really want to see it. Parameter. If I am allowed to do this, I'll try. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to do this. Uh, I actually can see nothing here, but never mind. Anyways, props of friends is just something like um yeah, it's something like name. So in this case, we call it full name. So it'll be full name. If I type in, if here it is, for example, yeah, here SFSA should be SFSA. And actually, we are doing this. We are taking this out. So you can do it in this way as well. You can do this like dot full name. It will work as well. But if you want to do it like in a more cleaner way, you can do. You can just destructure directly. Okay. Of course, the only difference between a dynamic page, a dynamic route and a static route is, yeah, you see that here's it's missing the page prop. So here, yeah, you need to use this import page props from $/ so.ts. Okay, so yeah, so if you type like subscribe, it will work as well. So that is the very basic of. Uh, Fresh framework. If there's anything that is not if there is any like question, maybe we can solve that together. I'm a beginner so also in this framework, so we will learn together. And of course, stay tuned to the next video and stay safe. Okay, thank you for watching.